In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collage in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clean, vertical collage that looks great on platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Start by opening CapCut and heading into a new project so you're in the main editor. Give yourself a moment to get familiar with the workspace. You'll be using the timeline at the bottom and the preview window to position everything precisely. Before you add anything, set your canvas correctly. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16. This vertical format is ideal for mobile viewing and ensures your collage fills the screen without black bars. If you see your preview turn into a tall rectangle, you're in the right place. Getting the ratio set now prevents you from having to reframe later. Next, bring in your clips. Import the videos you want to feature and place one on the primary timeline. Then add the others as overlays or on additional tracks, depending on your CapCut version. It helps to choose clips with similar visual styles or themes, so the final collage feels cohesive. If your clips are long, consider trimming them as you go, so they align in length and keep the pacing tight. Now, resize and arrange the videos to form the collage. Select a clip in the preview window, drag a corner to adjust its size, and move it into position. Repeat for each clip until you have the layout you want: 2 side by side, a grid of 3 or 4, or any custom arrangement. Use snapping or guidelines if they appear to keep spacing even. A simple trick is to leave consistent margins around each video so the layout feels balanced. With the layout in place, make your adjustments. Crop clips to remove distractions, and use position controls to fine-tune spacing so edges line up cleanly. If your background is visible, choose a solid color that complements your clips, or add a subtle blur behind them for depth. Match color and brightness across clips so they feel like they belong together. A quick tweak to exposure, contrast, and white balance goes a long way. For audio, decide which clip should be heard and lower or mute the others to avoid competing sounds. You can also add a single music track beneath everything for cohesion. Finally, take your time. Play the collage from start to finish and watch for gaps, misaligned edges, or clips that end too early. Zoom into the timeline for precise tweaks, and nudge clips a frame at a time if needed. A careful final pass is what makes the collage feel polished and professional.